This easy-to-use but powerful desktop application organizes, automates and streamlines post submissions so content creators and podcasters can stay focused on creating their great content. The Content Post Manager Freeware app is completely free to use, with no user limitations. There is a quick start guide PDF document with a download that includes login and basic first-time user information. There is no install needed to use the app, just download to your desktop, and it is ready to go. The app does not connect to the internet in any way, so it is very safe and secure. There are also links in the description to download the app. The Windows and Mac OS versions work basically the same, but each has a little different look and feel. And the app menu bar at the top of the app is organized a little differently on each. There are useful functions on the app menu bar, which are mostly self-explanatory by their title. Details about the functions in the menu bar will be talked about later in this video. You can navigate to other database records using the arrows at the bottom left of the window. And you go to the different UI views by clicking the icons to the left of each record. In this user guide I will refer to app windows and user interface windows as UIs. There are 3 different UIs that allow you to view and edit database records. They are the Mainless View UI. This is where you can view and update basic data for the hosting sites and social media sites where your content is shown. The Expanded List View UI includes the same data entry fields as the Mainless View, but includes the activity log and site notes. This is also where you can create new submissions. The good thing about this UI is you can work on many records all in the same window. And the Form View UI includes the same data entry fields as the list views, and also includes the activity log and site notes. And you can also create new submissions. The good thing about this UI is it has larger data entry text boxes, and is good when you want to concentrate on one website at a time. You can quickly filter and sort the records in these UIs by selecting the Filter and Sort button to find only manual submission, automatic submission, or to show all records. The records are sorted in ascending order using the modifiable sort ID field. You can change the sort order by changing the value in the modifiable sort ID field, or enter an X to hide a record from the filter and sort. You can also use the search function to find specific records or a set of records. In this search I will enter pod in the site name text box and select automatic RSS submission from the site group pull-down list. You can sort the found set of records by doing a right-click in a text box and selecting a sort option. To add another record entry to the list, click the New Record button. You will then choose which submission type the website the record belongs to. You can also choose what media types the website allows. Then enter the page name and page web address of the website and click Continue. Although this app has a password to log in, the data is not encrypted. So you might want a more secure location for your site passwords. But this app does not connect to the internet, and it is much more secure than a text document. The Future Content Titles UI is where you can create a list of future content titles. Then select a title from the list, and it will be entered into the title/post text box at the top of the submission UIs. This title text is entered into the activity log when a new activity is selected, and also copied when you create new activity, so you can paste it into the submission on the hosting website or social media site to save time and avoid making a typing error. Probably the most valuable function of this app is the rapid submissions capabilities. When you select a new activity on the expanded list or form view, it will add a submission entry to the activity log and then give the option to open the website URL where you can upload your media file and paste in your current title. After you create a new activity, you will see the activity date above the activity log. This text is also a button that you can click to continue to the next website database record. This allows you to quickly cycle through all of the submissions on all of the hosting websites and social media sites that need to be made for your current content. When you select the backup database utility script, it will copy the current timestamp so you can paste it into the saved file name. You can create backups in case you accidentally delete records or overwrite data by mistake. When you select the Export Data utility script, it will open a dialog box where you can save a text file of your data records. This export might be helpful to you. You can export to HTML and open the HTML file in a browser window, or you can export to a tab-separated file and import that data into Excel or another app if needed. When you select the Copy Data utility script, it will copy the site name, site URL, and site group for the current set of found records. You can paste this text anywhere needed. If you paste it into a Gmail message, after you close and reopen the message, the URLs will become clickable links